In this video, I'm going to explain to you how we identified $881,000 of tax reductions for our clients, the framework we use to make it happen, how to grade it, so you can take this information and apply it to your current situation. Hey, my name's Ed Lloyd. I'm a CPA and certified tax strategist, and I work with business owners throughout the United States with $2 million or more in revenue / their income taxes. Our goal is to cut your taxes $1 million or more while you're a client of ours. For some of our clients, that happens in the first year. For some, it may take many years. For this to be a possibility for anybody, there are two key areas you have to think about. One, education. You have to know what to do to be able to cut your taxes. And then two, you got to apply it. Those things combined together is part of our formula. Now let's go through the structure and what we use to make all this happen so you have an understanding. One, we look at the entity. Is the entity structure correct? There are lots of things we can do here. Income shifting, missed deductions, loopholes, investments, tax acts, upcoming legislation, planning. You should grade how you're doing using our simple red light process. Red, yellow, green. Red, danger. I'm overpaying taxes. I need to address this situation and fix it. Yellow, I've got this category pretty well, but I can still tweak it and save a considerable amount of money. Green, I've got this nailed and it's all working for me. You need to analyze this on an annual basis. Things change with businesses, and what's working for you today may not be working for you next year. All right, let's dive into this and see how to make this work for our client. There are several areas that he was not maximizing. We look at investments. His investments was in a red zone. We're able to identify alternatives of $268,000 of tax savings for him. Deductions. He missed a key deduction that he could generate positive cash flow and reduce his taxes by $418,000. There was another positive cash flow investment he could look at for $211,000. And we're still not done. There are $48,000 of positive cash flow deductions that he just missed. When you add all these up together, it's $881,000. That's a lot of money. But guess what? We had tax savings for more than his taxes were. So what was the next step? We identified tax savings that is more than he really needed to be able to fully utilize. As part of our blueprint process, we identify the strategies that are available to you and how much they can save. We also analyze the cash flow, determine which strategies work best for you, and tailor that so that you have the best possible solution for you for this particular year. When you're going through all these categories, you need to do the same thing yourself. See, what am I missing? What I need to maximize? How can I increase my cash flow? That's what this whole tax game is about. Increasing your cash flow. Putting strategies into place that legally reduce your taxes, increase your cash flow so you can increase the value of your business, your assets, and put it towards wherever you want to be able to put it towards. If you look at these categories that we've outlined that we use for our framework, consider the red, yellow, green light, and determine, I need help. We're here to help you. Simply schedule the link below and schedule time with my team. We'll talk to you about where you are in all these categories, help you understand red, yellow, green, and how we can bring you from red and yellow up to green. Maximize your tax savings, increase your cash flow. If you know somebody else that can benefit from this video, make sure you share it with them so they can understand the frameworks and the grading system to maximize their tax savings. And don't forget to schedule a call at the link below.